Joya Dorina P. with honors. Anita Claire Laika M. with honors. Anita Romel Ryan P. with honors. with honors. Theo Constance with honors. Hakome Sheena A with honors. Lastra Eliza D with honors. Makapal Glenn Harris R with honors. Maraveles Rhea E with honors. Just Leadership Award. Congratulations. Mrs. Janelle Naglea, please do the honors. For the presentation and confirmation of the candidates for graduation, let us welcome our school principal, Mr. Enrico Espeler, to be followed by the confirmation of the graduation by the confirming authority of our school's division superintendent, Dr. Jocelyn Sulan. Sir.
To Dr. Jocelyn Soler Solana, our school's division superintendent, I have the honor to present to you, ma'am, these 70 gentlemen and 78 ladies, a total of 148 candidates for graduation for the school year 2023-2024 of Bogota National High School. I hereby certify that they have satisfactorily completed all the requirements prescribed by the Department of Education for the senior high school curriculum, for the senior high school offering under the K-12 curriculum. For your confirmation, ma'am.
By the authority vested upon me by the Honorable Vice President of the Republic of the Philippines, and at the same time, the Department of Education Secretary, Honorable Sarah Zimmerman Duterte Carpio. I am very happy, I am very proud to confirm the graduation of Montauk National High School Senior High School graduates composed of 177 male and 119 female, with a total of 249 senior high school graduates who has satisfactorily completed the course under the K-12 Senior High School 4th strand, the technical, vocational, and livelihood strand. Congratulations! You are now graduates.
We have the honor to be graced with the presence of our very own Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Jocelyn S. Solana, in the distribution of the diploma to our graduates. To assist her is our school's District Supervisor, Mr. Raul T. Duarte, and School Principal, Mr. Enrico Espeller, together with our distinguished guests. The graduates, Abarigo M. Jean M. Poblacion Bontoc Southern Leyte, TVL, Home Economics. Abinoa Maria Sheena B. Malbago Bontoc Southern Leyte, TVL, Home Economics. San Vicente, Bontoc Southern Leyte, TVL, Home Economics. Agoilo Jabril B. Ta, Bontoc Southern Leyte, TVL, Agri-Fishery Arts. Alao Yuri Anthony P. Malbago, Bontoc Southern Leyte, TVL, Agri-Fishery Arts. Alila Claire Laika M. Talisay, Bontoc Southern Leyte, TVL, Home Economics. Alila Rowell Ryan P. Kaitagan, Bontoc Southern Leyte, TVL, Agri-Fishery Arts. Ama Daryl G. Hibagwan, Bontoc Southern Leyte, TVL, Agri-Fishery Arts. Amanda Ron Jerson C. Talisay, Bontoc Southern Leyte, TVL, Home Economics. Anadon Sheena A. Poblacion Bontoc Southern Leyte, TVL, Home Economics. Anda Christine A. Ginsalaan, Bontoc Southern Leyte, TVL, Home Economics. Aranda Rodolfo Jr. G. Divisoria, Bontoc Southern Leyte, TVL, Agri-Fishery Arts. Alice Mark R. Ginsalaan, Bontoc Southern Leyte, TVL, Agri-Fishery Arts. Valoro Children A. Santo Niño, Bontoc Southern Leyte, TVL, Agri-Fishery Arts. Banga Daisy L. Talisay, Bontoc Southern Leyte, TVL, Agri-Fishery Arts. Rasos Joel B. Union, Bontoc Southern Leyte, TVL, Agri-Fishery Arts.
Mama to gara kay po sa bata.
Sanigo Magistrate is Royal E. Da, Bontoc Southern Leyte, TVL, Agri-Fishery Arts. St. Mare, Reality, Ginsalaan, Bontoc Southern Leyte, TVL, Agri-Fishery Arts. St. Christine A. Divisoria, Bontoc Southern Leyte, TVL, Home Economics.
Our guest speaker today finished her elementary education as valedictorian in 1975 at Tomas Opos Central School. She also graduated valedictorian in high school in education cum laude at Cebu Normal University in 1983. She completed a master's degree in language teaching at the Southern Lady State University, Tomas Opos campus in the year 2000. In 2005, she completed her doctor's degree in educational management at the Cebu Normal University. She also has completed another doctor's degree course in the public administration at the Lee Kuan Yew University in Singapore. Her works in the public include both teachers and high-rank officials. From 1985 to the year 2000, she was a Master of Southern Leyte. Make way for our school's Division Superintendent of the Division of Southern Leyte, Dr. Jocelyn Soler Solana Seso 5.
Thank you, Sir Enrico. You may now take your seats. To God Almighty, who has given us the chance to celebrate the milestone of your life, your graduation in the basic education curriculum, senior high school. My respect also to the leaders of the municipality of Bontoc, headed by Honorable Mayor Alenso, as ably represented by his Vice Mayor, Honorable Vice Mayor Nalia, our School Governing Council President, the Chief of Police, Sir Paloma, teachers and staff of Bontoc National High School, headed by the Dynamic. 31 days or 44 years and 2 months when I was also a graduate like you in Rath Memorial Institute. I was filled with happiness and excitement, not because I will transition from senior high, no, it's not senior high school before. The old curriculum is only grade 10. I was 16 years old. I was the class valedictorian. But in my heart and in my soul, when I joined the processional march, graduate na ko, sa resume na ko. There was no plan of what will be, what life would I be after my graduation in high school. I grew up under the care of my Lola that provided me everything. I have no problem. Maybe like you na ako'y bigam sa lola o sa mga paryente. But there are also those being taken care of by your parents. Ako kay kamagwangan mang ako, ikuha sa lola. And it was my lola who taught me to pray the rosary every day. Ito kong pukaw, kada alas 3, kay kasabatong kulit sabi sa giduka ako. And every Sunday we go to church. Because my Lola instilled in me na sa kinabuhi, wa jud kay makabuot kung ladyo ka sa Ginoo. Ladyo ka sa ilang grasya. Nisi Dominos Frostra. Without God in our hearts, without God in our lives, nothing. You are nothing. Sa kung saan panikamot na to, ano na naman kung pati. Without God, in vain. Kuha ko dyan, kung i-stay ni Lula na ako. Then, ang minangin Lula sa college, abang kung sili naging graduate po, darga na si Bo. So, Lula, wala ma'am, eskwela ka hindi ka po. Kapoy ng eskwela, di ka makatag sa Joel to. Wait, prepare our things, good school. Kapoy ng eskwela, sa bitag-tukon. Kapoy ng eskwela, ng projects. Ang eskwela po, sa kusina na mo, sa Lula, nakay ka noon, sa baba. So, di naman sa kinaway, kataon naman ako 3 times a day, happy na si ma'am sa una. But there was a big twist in my life. From no ambition at all, ng ambition, nagilatos mo ko sa akong tatay. Di ka mo eskwela college, nakaledictorian ka, natay dagang ko na certificate sa Kuko Levy, you can be a Kuko Paid Scholar. Hindi ka mo eskwela gilatos ko, and my auntie, who was a principal, ipakihan ko, may padalian doon sa katarong lugas. Ihatod ko sa bato na aplikate doktorante. Huwag ka ng mga beautiful stars karon. May bangka ang sakda na aplikate. Ihatod ko sa Cebu. Na sila ko pili sa kurso. Magmaestra ka, pero na mo. Why challenge? But because of the teaching of my lola na hindi pwede. Inusta tayo na dili pwede ikaw mo kurso dahil simba ko mga matay ni wak nila ikabilin na dili mailog o bisan kinsa pagtayo ka na dito mo. There is a passage ito ng tagara memoryado doon ng versikulo of Biblia na kung saan forget Ephesians 5 chapter 5. Children, obey and respect your parents. For if you do, you will be given blessed and long life. Kinsa man din dili mo tuo sa mga istorya de bersikulo des Biblia. The Bible is the word of God. So nalisan ko. Hindi ko respeto sa tatay di bunala na ganito. Iskuya lang ko. It was not my ambition to further go to college because I don't want my parents problema o sa ipada kada buwan sa budget, rental, sa dormitory. Hindi ko gusto masakit ang mga dilikanan. So, kung ka lang gusto masakit, pwede ko dito sa tanong, magandang. Manako kong lubi, enough. Gusto ko na yung purpose sa tinubuti. Sa magkakaon naman ko, masulog-sulog. Inuukin na ang pagkakay ako, huwag ko. But, graduates o Bundok National High, ito panunod ni ma'am. Karon dila sa inyong tagsa kalingkuranan. Medyo makadali. And try to envision 5 years from now, unsa na ka. Your track is very humble. As the theme of your graduation, Kabataang Pilipino para sa matatag na kinabukasan ng bayang Pilipinas, ng bansang Pilipinas. How can our country be matatag? Strong republic. That's the vision of it. We produce learners who, with skills, knowledge, and attitudes, we dream of every Filipino who will passionately love the country, using their skills, talents, attitudes to help build a strong republic. How can you help build a strong republic? First, by loving your family. Respect your parents. Obey your parents. Tagai sa inyong kinatibukang respeto ang inyong giligtanan. Because without them, you will not be in this world. Ang batang supak-supakon, sukol-sukulon, kitag anak naway maadong ugma. Because, again, recall and remember always the book of Ephesians 5, only those who will respect and obey their parents, hatagan o kataas madagayaon o mabungahon ang kinabuhi. So as you continue to your journey, never forget to contribute your skills, talents for building a strong republic. PPL naman ang senior high. Di na is UMS. Kanang humanities and social sciences, kung sila mag-maestra, mag-pulis, mag-madre, ang mga mag-politiko, ang STEM, science, technology, engineering, mathematics, kung tayo mag-engineer, mag-doctor, tinayroon 148 taking senior high school track number 4, kaya upat may track. TPL, na ay tape of tailoring, dressmaking, tampakan sila. Cookery, bread and pastries, palakpakan. Housekeeping, naapol. So, kung kayong nik-nik na gawang TPL man dahil right after your graduation, hindi naman mo computer, try to surf in the internet. Unsa na nasod, manginahanglan tailor, dressmakers. Qatar is number 1 ang Dubai. Home economics, housekeeping, cookery, Dubai, nanginahanglan of thousands of skilled workers. And even Europe. Ano kami graduate may karon? Discovery College. You also could be starting up your small business. Huwag mo na magbasta-basta ng TPL. Dili, oy. After graduation, pwede ka mag-set up o imong kaugalingon. Gamay na business tailoring. Dili, wala man mo man di ba? Dili, walang sikat sa makina. Pero ato ta sa industry, di man tamo sikat. Kili-kili na imo pindong mo ta mudaga naman di why our FTL. And Taiwan is asking for more Filipino dressmaker. Ngano mo ang murag nag-activate mga Filipino sa gawas kay mo ako ta og trabaho. Filipinos are known for not only respectful, not only obedient, we are known for being industrious. Nauna tay trabaho, ato ko yung panikamutan na nindot ang atong performance. Bisan ako dili ako nagpili sa kurso because my life's mantra is on the book of Ephesians 5, I will respect and obey my parents. Itaro mo eskwela dito si Cebu. Nakatrabaho ko na doon after graduation niya ako'y job contract. St. Francis de Assisi School, pilid sa Redemptorist Church. Ang ka-happy. 15,000 a month. 7,500. 15, 7,530. Unsa, happy ang city life din ang ganahan mo ulit. Kaya enjoy ko sa Cebu, ikinig ka sa Bado, mag-disco sa inner circle, uwan sa barkada, sa pitsa, kikis, kailangan may magkatakanta. Si Sir Montano was one singer before. Ang artista na, nagsigilong na shaky si Cesar sa una, nakita ay niya. We enjoy his singing prowess at shaky Cebu. Di ko na ko kailangan ulit, kaya nalinaw na ko. But again, hindi mo na akong tatay. Dahil, mas daghang ng inahanglan sa iyong servisyo diri sa ato. Kita-kita, mo-obey na ito sa enjoy ko. Then again, the second quest of my life ni ulit. And you know what? Tiin ko i-assign ni Ma'am Bibi Galdo. Dapat mabibig na as pilino. Dito ko sa kumpa, kinaladyo ang bukid sa Tomas Opos. Ahot na ng kinder, grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, grade 4. Eh, usara may kinder, tuloy grade 1. Pastilan, multi-grade. But I never surrender sa mga challenges. Kung dito tinanong saksak sinagol. Ang problema, no school building ang mugpa. Naging sila murag bystander, sarang-sarang nagawa dyan. Ato, kukunan shingle o maladya na kung ato, kung ano po pitiin, voluntaryo na po ato ka bago, dahil sa ulit, kaya ko po popcorn, kaya kung itrabaho po airport man, libre kami uniform, libre kami lunch, tagaan kami tutorial, 5,000 kada bata, ito kali, morning possession. Hindi ko kalis tutors na kung ako kabuo sa 5,000. Ito may yung sweldo. Di kaya kayo nag-lito Cebu. Just 700 na yung sweldo sa public school. Kato na yung chini, mabangag-bangag. 700. Siguro gada sa purpose. Dako na ang sweldo dito, more meaningful ang trabaho. Kaya ang ipa-edukar ang natakabukid ng eskwela na ang puto na minute sa ilang pamisid. Magligo na po atong 15 ka bata. Anong ligo ka pa ito? Dahil shampoo sa bowl. Very challenging. Pero ako ko surrender. I'm happy sa kada haging sa kinabuhi. I will try to give the best version of myself. So, hindi na mag-iapos the farthest multi-grade school. Ini-contest of reading sa district. Ang ako ang grade 1 mo ay champion ini-grading. Kaya ako ang nadungdukdukon ang proper intonation, phrasing, pilde at central. And most especially, wa ko mulugsong sa humpa, multi-grade. Kung wa ko mga jo, iya ko si Ruben Direke. Nandiyan mga tao sa atong kinabuhi na mo-push nato to the limits and help us achieve what we dream. Si Ruben, the regional director ng school facilities, is one of the letter request for a school building. Naluha ko ng transfer, kung pa ugmaan niya for multi-grade. The same ang situation, the same po ang papang ni Sir Ruben na ako, Sir Eric. Ipatindungan ko dito o one story, 2 classrooms. Nandito ko hangtod karon na ang kitapon mo yung gibilin sa kanil teacher pa ko multi-grade sa Bukit. Then, nakitaan siguro, the man I say, just do your best and God will do the rest. So I just keep on giving my best. Huwag ko magbagot-bot. Ako'y mamalit sa blackboard, kaya ilang blackboard ito, buslong magtunga, o asa, ito magsuwa. Ako nagpapalit ko blackboard out from my own pocket, nagpapalit ko blackboard, hinay-hinay o pagwapa ang iskwilahan, limalit ko o armchair, desk, kaya wak manili mo ang mga kawatan sa nanay o tatay sa buki. So, order na po sa lukdo, di ko palupig sa kinabuhi, di ko palupig o search for most effective school, most prepared classroom. Isa to ako sa bukid, di ko papildi sa naubos, musyahin na ko. Kaya ang kuwan sa kinabuhi mantra, give your best. Parang wala ng bukas. Kung mag-dressmaker ka, panahi o pinagahindot kung aging takit, dugong mo naman ka. Right after graduation, naidad ng tinuring niya sa sumod, na Sherwood, na atay sa pagod, stock, unit stock, ng something, manawag na sila o mga dressmaker. Kung di mo maka-eskwela karon kay lisod pa ang panahon, your truck will give you, will provide you, will open opportunities for you to find jobs. Job ready na mo, congratulations. Because you are also employable 18 years old naman mo. Pwede na mo pirma o kontrata. Katong ng housekeeping, pwede to mo sakay o barko. Dili mo ito o. Ang among yaya sa mga bata, di ko pa eskwela o college. Di ko yan. Nakuha ng senior high school, o di galing housekeeping, cookery. Kaya ang mga barko, hinahanglan mag-assistant sa ko o di pa ka-graduate o HRTM. Lo at behold, nahuman si Elmer. Ako, tubo, kaya na magnanay ng servisyo na ako. Pagkaroon, tigan ako, kaya ako ako'y bahay, superintendent, pumunta. Naman ko sa bahay sa Amulula, ako ako'y bahay, i-retire na siguro kung makapabay. Pero si Elmer, na senior high school graduate 4 years ago, nagsakay-sakay na sa barko as assistant to the cook. Na nasday lindot na bay, i-provide na nila ilang nanay, di na matog sa tukok na balay, na sila lindot na balay, kung karoon na nakong nila, isang ipalitan nito si nanay nila o ng tatay o motor, kaya kung asa sila mulakaw, nanay ilang kasama dyan. I hope to na ni Akaron 148 will do the same. Go the distance. Kapay kanta din, no? Go the distance. Padayon sa inyong panaw. Never give up. Diba? No, I won't lose hope. No, I won't accept defeat. At sa'w kadawag na mapindi tas laban ng buhay. I walk every mile, and it's all worthwhile. And I go the distance till my journey is complete. I did not go in the distance wa ako magpuno nga teacher. Pero ako where I never dreamed of becoming an assistant regional director or superintendent, I just simply give my best. I give my all in my profession. The same with you. Give your best, give your all, and never forget that God is there. Call on Him kung na kay problema, kung na kay challenge, pag-iistorya sa iyong ginikanan, adaw sila basula, ano mo ako kung pangalang, dahil ko makaistorya ng mga amin. Never ever do it. Nay, ano ba ko sa alam ko? The same in my own young mind. 44 years ago, dilit na gusto ko kung tata magiliganan, makuha ko mga nilo yung galing. Muabang na lang ako sa kasama sa loob akin. But my parents are there. So ang pugma ka dun sa ginikanan para ninyo, dili matugkan. Kay bisag wak na sila, bisag katapusang sintimo, ilang tipigan kay naaunda may project, maating na naman makakatag sila. Palakpakan ng atong mga bibigyan. And to the teachers, never forget as you journey the teachings of your mentors. Let them be your inspiration. Palakpakan sa iyo, ma'am. Yeah. Mga akong stakeholders, si Vice Mayor Nablia, nag-big o nagsukip na sa big honors o honors, tinatagang LGU, palipay o financial. Dili na kayo sa ang meaning niya na very symbolic. Sila si Mayor Andra mapuhunan para sa inyong maadjong ugma, kay ugma-adjong ugma tanan, mama imong matatag ang Republika ng Pilipinas. My warmest congratulations to everyone. The significant milestone of your life has now come because of your hard work, patient toil, and the dedication for intellectual growth. Continue your journey as you take on your new transition from basic education to tertiary education. Never forget the knowledge and skills and the wisdom taught to you by your own and beloved alma mater, Bontoc National High School. Be brave enough to carry on what have you learned from them and face the challenges ahead with a brave heart. Like Manny Pacquiao, huwag na rin ipa-eskulas na na Indonesia. Kung sa may gigamit ni Pacquiao, ang kitang skill pagkabusidor, kay sige dyan pamuksin dito sa pantalan, nakadaog mo siya. 20-20, may premium, 100. Biglang magdagat si Manny Pacquiao na uli, nagsakagandang pagkaon ng pamilya. Hindi kayo na-champion. Pagbansang kamao, contributing to the building a matatag and a very proud republic na sa Pilipinas, di basta-basta kung boxing na may isbutan, ni as nato ang world champ. Pagka-champion na niya na dato ng Manny, wa siya kalimot sa ilang pamilya. Tanang isuon yung mahiluna, nakakapay, nakaka-negosyo. Nani naroon, usa sa ilang mga isuon na yung gobernador, congressman, mayor, ang mga dinati na yung mayor dito sa Jinsan. Nadato siya na huwag makalimot paglumba sa ilang pamilya. That's the best thing that you can do. When you will be blessed someday, na amoy maadong lokasyon, never forget to make your parents happy and proud of what you have accomplished by sharing your blessings to them. At ito daw ang inyong mga dinikanan. Know that you are surrounded by the people, by your family, by your friends, your mentors, your stakeholders, your local government in the municipality of Buntok. Dili mo taligdan nila. Nani sa LGU Buntok, di na sila dole, na sila peso officer. Doon na peso officer kay mga TVL graduate man mo, uunsay kompanya na nanginahanglan o tailor, dressmaker. Sa ikot mo sa internet, kay na ako'y senior high school po, 22 kabuok sa Tanawan, Batangas, pagbunga nila graduate sa TVL, dressmaker tailoring. Doon na sila karoon sa Taiwan. Nanahi, nagkanong Taiwan, kinahanglan mo yung dressmaker. Tingnan nila i-search sa internet. Nagni na sila mga bahay, bigan si ma'am, wow, may bahay. Diyan na, puhon. Ang mutra man na, dili-dali-dalion ang tanan sa buhi. Don't be in a hurry. Just be cool. Di pagka-college na ron, hinay-hinay sa apply o trabaho. Kung di padawat, hinay-hinay o kato mga kukiri. Ada magluto o gamay restaurant o hindi mo gamay tindahan, sugat o kanon. Kaysa way puhunan. Doon ni Mayor, kay mapag na sila naman sila'y sa ilang tupad na sila'y kanang mga kwarta pag-start of small business. O small business itong mga kukiri graduate. Panuroy mo ang sudaan. Samtang dili pa mo masod sa kapiromata, mga may abukan. O, sa senior high school na mo sa Dapets, sa may abukan, nag-experience, apit senior. Karoon sila ng grupa ng abroad. Ang uban, nasibo na narwako. Job is waiting for you if only you work to make your dreams come true. Never give up on your dreams. Continue searching until you reach the pinnacle of your ambition. Si Manny Pacquiao, sadyan, dati na siya, grade 5 naman, ni-enroll sa ALS, ni-eskwela, kasama, ni-eskwela of college, AB Political Science, sa University of Makati. Nag-graduate sila, kaya ako sila, yung sa konta, pwede na ang eskwela. Huwag mo mag-ingunin dyan kay TVL mo, huwag na may chance ng eskwela. Kung maka-afford sila sa nanay, eskwela o education, major in agriculture and fisheries, alam masulod mo sa Buntok National High School kung makapasara na mo sa LED. Tanang na teacher TM diha, pwede mo kuha kitin units. Education. Ang dili, gazon. magnegosyo. Life always is a choice. Kung mapili mo ang graduation at magpabuhi lang nanay, it's your choice. But you are not helping build a strong republic. Ang batang Pilipino, marunong at matutong humarap sa hamon ng buhay. Nagsusumikap para iangat ang sarili, gikan sa kapobre, at least man lamang pobreng hamugaway. Wa na'y utang, hindi na malun si nanay sa car. Kaya naman mo mumata, kung na mo'y trabaho buhon. I know life is not easy, but life is what you make it. At the end of the storm, there is always a rainbow. Na, dagang problema, iampo na sa Ginoo, Lord, make me stronger. Ang makatabang ko sa akong pamilya. At ako pinutong, naiduwas, senior high school, waka sa luwag, kaya pinutong, Sugod National High School. If you are always and constantly talking to God, communicating to Him all your worries and fears, He will always crown your efforts with success. Your parents, your inspiration, dili karon panahon nga maguyab-uyab serious, bindyo na dato. Patay. 1% inspiration. Sige, ako ito, kung uyab mong kusuna, pero what to be serious? Inspiration lang, at least na yun na ka. At least na, Kung hindi na, diya, makunti ko ang akong kinabuhi. Like, I still have to work for the 99% aron ko mahimong legal o productive citizen of the country. So, unsa na nagmahuman sa mga naan kay sweldo taro, based ang pagpilay iyabong. Lagi. Nagtaro mag-iskwela, nagmahukas doon sa kagang. Mamuyab ko. Big puro po, arang paita. Sabi ni Sara Duterte sa kanyang mensahe, mahalin natin ang bansa. How are you going to love the country? Love yourself. Iangat ang sarili. Kay ang ultimo, why lugar o why ranggo, dili dito, why lugar sa kilingban. Diba? Gamay kanunay ang tanaw sa mga tao ni Diyo. So, mag-antos-antos ang mga santos. Finally, and in closing, I will give you the line of the song by Ted Tito. Nindot na siya ang dungo ninyo kanunay, nadigay ang kinabuhi, na ang problema because problems, challenges are there to make you stronger. Failures are there, not to bring you down, not to put you down, but to make you stronger.